Morning world. It has been, oh look. Hey boy, were you napping? You napping, sweet? We go and sleep. Yeah, gonna head out with cousin Clarence to get his tire fixed. Hello!
Hey, what's up?
Oh, no need.
Hey! Yeah,
你们有什么牌子？
不用紧，等一下我拿，你帮我时间。
Clarence'S stuff. Hey, she's asking you if you.
Next case.
next.
Next case 都可以啦。
The tire that's blown already. It's flat. Also, the what's that? The spare tire is on already. Clarence did a good job in changing that yesterday. No, I think they said cash on nets. Anyways, so it changed to the Bridgestone Turanza. This is the ER300. Tire profile is 185/55 R16. New tires! Yes! So in case I didn't say that earlier, we are at L Tires here by via Leica, I think. Somewhere around via Leica. Clarence'S tire, I decided to give up on him yesterday. That was the front left. Previously, when we had the car parked at home, like the front right was the one that went off, and I had to get that patched up. But now all new four tires for the Jazz, and yeah, it's good. It's nice. Bye! Alright, and so much for the short vlog for today. We've got F1 as the Monaco Grand Prix today, so that's gonna be exciting to watch. Hope there'll be very dramatic race that is ahead. But yeah, I've been pretty busy-ish lately and not being able to come up with more content. So, and I'm still trying and thinking to figure and find out more ways to for more of these content as well. So hang tight. Thank you for hanging in there, and I feel that I think once things start to let up a bit on the work end, I can start to make some more, at least like do reviews on the cars and stuff like that, have more bandwidth to do so. But yeah, thanks so much for watching today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye!